You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation from French, meaning a lady. That's what it means. You could say a dame. It's generally, anyhow, in French it's pronounced dame. So it's pretty much like a dam, but it's pronounced dame. Dame is how you say a lady, how you pronounce in French dame pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.